Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we discover the secrets of pics of the world. Today we're diving into the crucial topic, how to spot fake feet pic sellers. No one wants to get scammed, so let's try to give you all that knowledge you need to find legit sellers and avoid the fakes. And remember, if you like what you see, hit subscribe and also make sure to comment below because we have endless amounts of tips and tricks for you. So let's get started. The quality of photos. First things first, let's talk about photo quality. Legit sellers have high quality images. They're clear and the resolution is perfect. So it's well lit, professionally shot. If the picture looks grainy, pixelated, or they were taken in a rush, chances are they're not so legit. That's a huge red flag. High resolution images show that the seller takes their work with pride and very serious. So always scrutinize the quality of the pictures to make sure they're good before any purchase. Look for consistent content. Consistency is key. Like anything, it's also key in this moment because real sellers have a gallery of images that are consistent in style and quality. So if you see an account with just random photos, different styles, different lighting, and it doesn't match up, be cautious. That's another red flag. A genuine seller usually sticks with a particular aesthetic. Browse the gallery. Make sure everything looks consistent on their page. That is a great indicator to make sure that the seller is legit and that you're safe to go. Verify seller information. Legit platforms like FeetFinder require sellers to go through an ID verification process. If a seller is hesitant to provide verification or their profile seems incomplete, that's a red flag. FeetFinder ensures that the sellers are verified, giving you peace of mind that you're dealing with a real person. So stick to the platform that prioritizes security. Read reviews and feedback. Reviews are your friend. Check out the feedback from other buyers. Legit sellers will have positive reviews and testimonials from real satisfied customers. If you come across a profile with no reviews or suspicious glowing reviews that seem fake, be cautious. Real feedback from real users is a great way to gauge the legitimacy of any seller. Ready to start your feet pic journey safely? Register now at FeetFinder.com and get verified. It's easy peasy. Once you're verified, you can start selling high quality feet pics. There's no limit to your creativity, so get those cameras ready. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel below, stay updated, and learn all the basics on how to sell feet pics online. And check out FeetFinder for more tips and tricks. And there you have it, folks, your guide to spotting fake accounts trying to sell you feet pics. Because again, remember, this is all about quality, consistency, and verification. And also, most importantly, reviews. So stick to the trusted platform like FeetFinder.com to ensure you're buying and selling safely. FeetFinder is the most legit platform out there when it comes to the best quality of place, whether you are a feet buyer or seller. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later in the next video. So keep those toes wiggling and those scams at bay, and enjoy yourself. Thanks for joining us. If you have any questions or even stories to share, leave a comment below, share it with your friends, and help avoid those scams. So stay tuned for more content, and until next time, keep stepping confidently into your feet pic ventures. Signing out.